bread kind. Let's get on there. So we cut the pumpkin. Cut this. Not sure the name of this. I think yam, something like that. So we peel all this, peel all the ingredients and cut it. This gives it a nice flavor. Then we cut the corn, small pieces. This gives an amazing flavor also. Now we get some cilantro, a bunch, something like this, probably a little more, but this is for now. I put a little bit and then at the end we put some more. Cut it very small. Garlic. This is how I do with the garlic. To peel it off, it's easy like that, and then you mash it up. Garlic. Get one more. So wait that this boil. I had it boil it earlier, but it got cold. So I'm going to put it again to boil a little bit more. Okay, here is the water boiling. So we're going to add in the water all the bread kind that we cut a while ago. Probably it's better to do with my hands. Oops. I don't know how to do it. I guess we can do it slowly. We put all the ingredients in the water with the chicken. So the carrots, the potatoes, the onion, everything goes in the water. going to let it boil for a while until everything is soft. And of course we're going to put some chicken bouillon, this in there, probably like 2 or 3. I don't like to use this much, but this is necessary for the flavor, so we'll add some, maybe 1 or 2, maybe 2, and we see how it goes. We can put more if need more flavor. And then we can put some salt also. This time I'm going to measure the salt. Maybe something like this. 1 spoon. Now we're going to leave this cooking for a while, and it should be ready soon. Looks very nice. We'll cover and put it slow, and we wait. Okay, now we have this soup is ready. So let's taste. Let's see how this came out. We're going to put some of the chicken and some of the corn. I got a super big plate so you can see it, but this is a lot. It looks delicious so far. Let's put some of the pumpkin. Oops, sorry. This is a chicken with vegetables soup. It's very good. So I want to put it here. We have cut some lime with avocado, and we put some cilantro. And this is a delicious soup made by me. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye. Bye.